Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to review probably the worst loan ever that I've ever reviewed in my entire life, and this loan is from OppLoans, also known as opportunity loans. So it doesn't matter how bad or worse is your credit, you can still get this loan, and I'm going to tell you step by step how you can apply for this loan. But before moving forward, I would like to tell you that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So remember, before reviewing this, you can only take this loan if you don't have any other option. And what I mean by any other option, that you are in a dire need of money and then you have no option, no way to get the money from anywhere, then you can get this loan. There are huge downsides to this loan, and that's why anyone can get this loan. So please bear with me till the end of this video. I'm going to make this video very short and precise because I don't usually recommend this loan to anyone because of the downsides it has, but still there are a lot of people who might be interested in this loan, and if you don't have any other way to get the money, then of course this is the best way for you. So without wasting any time, let's go and see what this loan has to offer. So let me just tell you, the full form of OppLoans is opportunity loans. This financial institution has been around from several years, and they are known to give loans to the people with fair, bad, or you can say worst credit. I never recommend the loans that they offer, most of the loans that they offer, to be honest. But the thing is, there are a lot of options out there that you can get the loan from, and bunch of great ones, by the way. So please consider and think 1,000 times before applying for this loan. But remember, if you don't have any other option, you can always go for this loan. So applying for this loan is really simple, because when you actually apply through them, they don't do a hard inquiry, they just do a soft pull which does not affect your credit score, and then after reviewing your score with a soft pull, they give you an offer, and it's totally up to you whether you want to accept it or deny it. Again, if you really need the money and you are unable to get it from anywhere, then this must be your, I shouldn't say best option, but I believe the only option. So what you need to do, let's see that what this loan has to offer. So they actually offer the loan amounts from $500 to $4,000. If you compare it with the payday loan and title loans, of course the title loans and payday loans are worst. I never recommend it to anyone, and again, I am not even recommending this loan to anyone, even if you would like to build credit, because they do report to credit bureaus. But remember, they are charging 100 to 200% APR, and this is madness. I don't think that you should go for this loan, but when it comes to this loan, I think the only way and the only scenario that I can think of you can get this loan is if you don't have any other way and you really need the money in probably in 24 hours or 48 hours. But remember, right after this video, I'm going to make another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So remember, there are always ways to get access to the higher credit limit and credit funding, so don't worry about it, don't get disheartened. The only reason I'm reviewing this loan because there are people out there who wants to know about this loan, and if they think that this is something that they should go with, then of course they can go with it. And then when you compare it with the term wise, payday loans is of course 14 days, you have to return it in 2 weeks. And then the title loans, of course, you have to give them a collateral just like your title loans, like just like your car papers and stuff. So I never recommend them, because if you get stuck in it, then it's really hard for you to get out of there. So please choose wisely, think wisely before you take any decision. even by getting the loans from OppLoans, because I can say that they charge a lot of APR, almost double and triple. So for example, if you're going to get $4,000, you need to return $12,000. This is complete madness. So let's see what their application looks like. Let's see, because like I was just pulling this application. So the first name, your last name that they need, were you referred by a friend. I would not consider anyone my friend if anyone refer me to this. So primary phone number, secondary phone number, your email address, and when you click on save and continue, they will ask you for your social security number and then your address. So remember, they are not going to do a hard inquiry on your credit. It's a soft pull, and then after soft pull they will give you an offer. It's totally up to you whether you're going to accept it or not. So thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, right after this video I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So this is Sam from Credit Viral. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.